welcome back, guys. I've been a while for a minute, but I'm back. So today I want to take you through some market analysis over here on USD card. So I haven't been in the market for like 2 weeks, so I don't know what the market has been doing. So when we look at the monthly time frame, okay, let me just start my analysis on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, there was this liquidity sweep over here. Liquidity was swept, and market came down, broke structure at this point over here, then went down again, shifted over here, created another block, which I marked this a long time ago. Created another order block over here, and a fair value gap was created over here. So after that, this was last week, and this is this week. So it tapped into that order block, created some rejections over here. So the market might be going down. Take out this liquidity at this point, this weekly liquidity at that point, and if it is done with that liquidity at that point, it might come back to this liquidity. It might come to this liquidity, but if it goes down and takes out this liquidity, there might be a fair value gap. Hopefully, I'm saying. So right now, there's this weekly order block over here, some two rejections over here from last week and the other week. So let's go to the daily time frame and see what's up. So yeah, after that tap into that order block, there was a break of structure at this point over here. So yeah, just wait for a new week and see what's gonna happen. But at this point, my weekly analysis says that this market might be bearish. So yeah, that's my weekly analysis on USD card. Yeah, so that was my brief analysis on USD card. Let's go to gold. So monthly time frame. So there was this liquidity I spoke about in my other video. Liquidity was taken at this point, at all these points over here. So right now, I really think the market wants to come back to like a 50%. So this is the 50% mark over here on the monthly time frame. Okay, I'm measuring from this swing up to this swing over here. Then let's delete that. Let's go to the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame. So it's just been a bunch of consolidation at this. Okay, a bunch of not consolidation, but not large movements though. But on the daily time frame, the market shifted at this point, created a fair value gap here, fair value gap at this point. The market came back to it, reacted really well at this point. So I guess my analysis on this is that the market might be the same as the USD card type. It might be bearish. Yeah. So which liquidities am I targeting this coming week? That liquidity and this other one. This is the daily. Oh, sorry. These two are the. So yeah, but there's this other daily fair value gap at this point. But that's my analysis on this. I believe gold might be bearish too. So yeah, that's my analysis on gold. So this pair over here called natural gas. A lot of people don't trade this pair. I'd highly advise people to trade this pair. So let me give a quick analysis on this. So from the month of September 2022 up to January 2023, there was an impulse move to the downside on this pair, but then it started consolidating over here. Then it broke the consolidation to the upside, took out liquidity at this point. You just see, took out liquidity at this point. Yeah. Took out liquidity at that point, then filled this imbalance partially. Then after taking liquidity, it started going down at this point, broke. It shifted over here at this point. So let's go to the weekly time frame and see what it has for us. So this impulse moved to the upside, taking out liquidity and stuff, created this down movement over here. So in this down movement, let's take and measure the liquidity, the what's its name, the equilibrium on this point. So this is the equilibrium. Let's just mark that for reference. So that is the equilibrium. I can clear that. So after coming back to the equilibrium, it started going down, broke structure at this point. So let's go to the daily and see what is happening really. So okay, we can see on the weekly that there was a break of structure at this point. So this is confirmation that the market wants to go down and capture and take out liquidity at these lower points, which it already took at this point over here. So let's go to the weekly. Let's go to the daily. This is the daily. So on the daily time frame, this movement downwards. Then there was this order block at this point on the daily time frame. Can mark that too. So yeah, that order block came in, tapped into that, filled this fair value gap over here, and this other fair value gap. Okay, order block over here. After that order block, actually see an impulse move to the downside still to take out liquidity. But maybe at this point, at some time, at this point, hopefully, because it already took liquidity at this point, so it might come back and take that liquidity at that point too. Okay, on the weekly time frame, there's also this liquidity at this point too. So yes, my directional bias is bearish, but some days might not be bearish. So in those days, I will know what to do and how to move. So yeah, that's my analysis on natural gas. I think that's how I'll call it analysis. That's how I'll call it a video. So subscribe to the channel and catch you all in the next video. Yeah, and I'm back. I'm coming back over to the market. Yeah, subscribe.